Hey guys, it's Gary. So today we're going to do something just a little bit different, as we're going to do an unboxing of a Ryobi table saw setup, and then evaluation, product review on it. So with that said, the video will start right now. On opening it. All right, there we go. So in the box we have the kickback guard, the fence. Looks like the stand's right there. So in the box we have the miter guide. Looks like a push stick. The actual blade and guard. A couple blade wrenches. And some miscellaneous bolts and a handle. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and get it put in together, and I'll give you guys a briefing throughout the process. So guys, I use it for a couple different rips on different material, a couple of cross cuts, guard on, guard off. For the money, I think you can't go wrong with it. It's a really nice little portable table saw. What's cool about it, what I do like is right here, the table extends to the to the right, and it also extends out the back for your longer, bigger pieces of wood and stuff. Most of the other ones, for the price, don't have that. They're just a plain table saw. They're a lot smaller, don't do as much, and so yeah, I'm really happy with it. Gonna do some crafts for the wife. We'll keep you updated. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more on how-tos and just more product information stuff. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.